Unpacking everyday English. Change into pajamas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning and usage of a common phrase, change into pajamas. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these everyday phrases can make a huge difference in your language journey. Let's get cozy and explore together. When we say, change into pajamas, we're talking about the action of replacing your current clothing with pajamas. Pajamas, often called PJs, are comfortable clothes designed for sleeping or lounging at home. This phrase is a perfect example of how English uses the word change to indicate transitioning from one state to another, in this case, from your daytime clothes to your nighttime wear. Let's dissect the phrase, change into pajamas, a bit further. Change implies an action where one thing becomes different. In our context, it means taking off the clothes you are currently wearing. Into is a preposition that, in this scenario, indicates the transformation or movement towards a new state, which are the pajamas. Pajamas refer to the specific type of clothing you're changing into, emphasizing the casual and comfortable nature of these garments, intended for sleep or relaxation. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially in the context of preparing for bed or settling in for a comfortable evening at home. Here are a few scenarios where it might come up. A parent might tell their child, "It's bedtime, please change into your pajamas." After a long day, someone might say, "I can't wait to get home and change into my pajamas." It can also be used humorously among adults to suggest winding down the evening. Is it too early to change into pajamas? Understanding the context and nuances of this phrase can help non-native speakers feel more confident in both casual and intimate conversations. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, change into pajamas. We hope this video has illuminated the simplicity and beauty of everyday English expressions. Remember, mastering a language is all about embracing these little details that make up our daily conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to get comfortable with your English learning journey, perhaps even in your pajamas. Goodbye for now.